In this video, I will show you how to put Venmo money on Cash App. This process is simple once you understand how both platforms connect through your Cash App banking details. So let's get started step by step. First, open the Venmo app on your mobile device. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Me option. This will open your profile page, where you can see your name, username, and current Venmo balance. Now tap on your balance widget and then select the Transfer button. This is where you can move money from your Venmo balance to a linked bank account. Once you're on the transfer screen, Venmo gives you two main options. You can either transfer money within 3 business days for free or choose an instant transfer for a small fee. If you already have the Cash App debit card, you can use the instant transfer option by linking that card directly. But don't worry, if you don't have a Cash App debit card, you can still transfer money using the 3 business day option by linking Cash App as your bank account instead. To do this, tap on Transfer To and then choose Add Bank. You'll see a screen asking you to link a new bank account. Here, make sure to choose Verify Bank manually. This allows you to manually enter your Cash App routing number and account number instead of logging in through a third-party connection. Now let's find those numbers in Cash App. Open the Cash App on your phone and tap the dollar icon at the bottom of the home screen to go to your cash balance page. And go on Cash Balance section, and you'll see account details. Copy that because these details are associated with Sutton Bank, which is the partner bank used by Cash App for direct deposits. Copy your account details, return to the Venmo app, and paste them into the required fields. Once you've entered your details, Venmo will now recognize Sutton Bank, Cash App's bank, as your linked financial institution. Don't be confused when you see that name. It's normal and it means your Cash App account is connected successfully. With your Cash App account now linked, all that's left to do is press Transfer. You'll get a confirmation message saying Transfer Initiated, meaning the transaction has started. The funds will move from your Venmo balance to your Cash App account within 3 business days, or instantly if you use the debit card method. And that's it. You've successfully put money from Venmo to Cash App.